Stop it. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be trying out some new makeup, just getting ready for a day. Pretty much a full face, almost a first impressions. But before we get into this video, please make sure you subscribe at the button down below and like this video and turn the notification bell on. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm excited to try out some of this stuff. I did a haul and that will be my last video, so make sure you look at that before you look at this video. If you haven't, I'll put in the eye that is right up here. Go ahead. Let's just get into this video because I actually do have somewhere to go. So first we're gonna go in with this Precisely My Brow Pencil in the new shade 4.5, and I'm really excited because I love playing with my brow colors because the fact that my hair is so many different colors, so I can actually do that. With Precisely My Brow Pencil, I do want to say you don't have to fill in every single space of your brow. Just fill in the bald parts and you're done. I'm gonna use this concealer to see what this does. I'm gonna cut out. This is the e.l.f. HD medium concealer. I like the color. It kind of is like neutral. So we're just gonna put some right here and right here. And I'm gonna take one of these like no-name brushes and just carve out my brow. It's a really good consistency, but kind of oxidized pretty freaking quick. Yeah, that got dark really quick, so I could have gotten away with light. So I put it on my lids as a eyeshadow base, and honestly, the coverage is not bad. Okay, for today's palette, we're gonna go in with the, I want to say, Aura palette from Shop Hush. It looks like this. Basically, this is a dupe for the Prison palette from Anastasia. I do have a 10% off code. It's Micaylah10 for Shop Hush. I did not get any money from it. It's just a code that I got for you. So I will be using these colors today to create a look. I'm going to do one eye off camera and then I will be back and show you what I did. So guys, this is what pretty much Mandy came up with. Mandy and Ashley helped me out with this on Instagram Live. And it's glitter, it's a wing liner, it's warm toned, it's extra. So we're gonna take Awakening on a Sigma E35 and just blend that into the crease first. And then we're gonna go in with the shade Mystic and pretty much, you know, deepen up the crease. And I really like this orange. It is so pretty. And there's minimum fallout. It is a little bit powdery, but they're pigmented and blendable. That's all that matters. This Morphe brush that I was using is a Morphe M138. And next we're going to take Vibe and just deepen the outer corner into the crease. What I like to do now is I like to place the color and then blend. That really has helped me a lot. And then we're going to take the shade Soul on a wet Royal Line Nickel medium shader brush and pack that on the lid, not the crease, the lid. Like, look, that's one swipe. Okay, and then we're going to take this Flash Shadow by Pop Beauty and put this in on the lid. It's called Cosmic Confetti. This is what Mandy told me to use and I am obsessed with it. Okay, and then I did do my lower lash line. Let's do liner first. I'm just using, you know, the ColourPop, the CoverGirl Get In Line Bold Brown Liner. You guys, I'm so sick, man. Okay, since that's done, we're gonna pretty much do what we did on the top of the crease on the bottom. And for mascara, I've been wanting to try this out. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, and I have not ever used this. Ooh, it's like spiky. It looks like if you stick your eye, it's gonna hurt. Okay, so we're gonna take this mascara and do our lashes. I hope this is a good one. If not, I ain't gonna use it no more. Ooh, this separates the lashes really good. Okay, so for primer, we're just gonna go ahead and use the Catrice Prime and Fine Nude Glow Primer for the skin. Oh, it has...
Good job, Catrice. You know about sanitization, being sanitary. You know, you got us.
Oh, it smells really good, and it feels really good. To be honest, it really does. I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. Hopefully this color doesn't oxidize too much. Well, that's a pretty good color. It's not too bad. Ooh, the coverage is good. A little does not go a long way. At least on my face. It does not. It smells kind of good. It smells like baby powder almost. But like not like as intense. For concealer, we're going to go in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and this is the shade Light Beige, which is actually really light, so I go really light-handed with this. But I've been obsessed with this concealer. And then we're going to spray MAC Fix Plus after I get this freaking sticker off. Ooh, that smells bomb. What? What? Oh, okay, MAC. Oh, okay, MAC. I see you. I really do. What the hell? My skin looks so much smoother now. What in the world? I'll use this Rosé palette from Shop Hush. And we'll go in with this color right here. And it's called Champagne. Yes, girl. Okie dokie, guys. So, for the inner corner and brow bone, I just used Phenomenon. I accidentally did that off camera. I'm sorry. But for lips, we are going in with this Buxom shiny liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Honeydew. Okay, so I ended up going in with, this was a little bit too much for this look, so I ended up going with this full-on lip polish in the shade Hush Hush. And now I'm gonna go in with this Buxom gel lipstick in Rachie Reveal, and I'm going to pop that over this lip liner. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is like full on like bam glitter in your freaking face. But I hope you enjoyed this video because I had a lot of fun filming it. I do feel a little bit better. I'm not in a lot of pain. I'm not in as much pain, but let me get to where I need to go, and I will see you in my next video.